Course registration in AMS. Here we'll see how to register for the courses for undergraduate students. Go to Course. Select Courses Selection. Now, select the academic year. Select the semester. Click on Add Semester. The semester is added, but there are no records. Now, click on Major and select the course you want. Click on the right side arrow. Click on Save Changes. And the course is selected. Now, go to Course Registration. And you can see that this course is not yet submitted. Click on Submit New Courses. And the course is submitted. But it is pending for approval from faculty, guide, professor and COE. So the student has to wait for the approval. Now, after the faculty has approved, the student will get the message of approved and similarly get the message for guide, professor and COE. After this, go to Submit Roster Form. All the details are shown in the form, that which faculty has approved and which faculty is pending, and the status is not submitted. Now, the student has to click on the button Submit Roster Form. After this, refresh the page and the status is submitted. The student has successfully submitted the form. You can print the form and save it for later use. Click on Save and the form is successfully printed.